Dear viewers, welcome to e-learning at ease. Before going into this video, subscribe e-learning at ease and click the bell icon for getting instant notification on my new videos. In this video, we are going to see the basic definitions of economics given by famous economists. We are going to see the definitions of economics under four groups: science of wealth, science of welfare, science of choice making, and science of dynamic growth and development. In this video, we are going to focus more on science of wealth and science of welfare. We will learn the name of the economist and the group which they belong to, whether they belong to wealth or welfare or choice making or dynamic growth and development, and then we will see their definitions. First, we are going to see the definitions from the group science of wealth. In this group, there are two economists. The first one is Adam Smith and J.B. Say. First, we are going to see the definition of Adam Smith. He is a Scottish economist and he is also called the father of economics. He has given his famous definition in his book The Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations in the year 1776. According to him, economics is an inquiry into the nature and causes of the wealth of nations. So, his main focus is on the wealth of a particular nation. Economics mainly focuses on wealth in his definition. Now we will see the definition of J.B. Say. He is a French economist. He has written a book called Treatise of Political Economy in the year 1803. According to him, economics is a science which deals with wealth. So both Adam Smith and J.B. Say are of the opinion that the main emphasis of economics is to study the wealth aspect of an economy. Now we are going to see the second group, the science of welfare. In this group, there are two famous economists. The first one is Alfred Marshall and the second one is A.C. Pigou. Now we will see the definition of Alfred Marshall. He is a British economist who shifted the focus of economics from wealth to welfare. According to him, economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It examines that part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and with the use of material requisites of well-being. Thus, economics is on the one side a study of wealth and on the other and more important side a part of the study of man. So, he defines economics as a study of mankind. So, all the activities done by the mankind every day in his day-to-day life are considered as economics along with the study of wealth. Now we will see A.C. Pigou's definition. He is also a British economist. According to him, in economics, the range of our inquiry becomes restricted to that part of social welfare that can be brought directly or indirectly into the relation with the measuring rod of money. According to him, economics will consider only those activities which are measurable in terms of money value. Now we will do a quick revision. First, we have seen the science of wealth definitions given by Adam Smith and J.B. Say. According to Adam Smith, Economics is an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nations. So, J.B. say also of the view that economics is a science which deals with wealth. And then we saw the definition of welfare given by Alfred Marshall and A.C. Pigou. According to Alfred Marshall, economics is a study of all the activities done by mankind along with wealth. And according to A.C. Pigou, the activities which are measurable in terms of money value will only be considered in economics. Thank you so much for your patient listening. If you are happy with this video, like this video. If you are having any queries, or if you want me to post videos on any other topics, you can post your concerns in the comment section. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel E-Learning at Ease.